Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of replace. Put in the place of another. Switch seemingly equivalent items. The con artist replaced the original with a fake Rembrandt. Exchange, interchange, substitute. Put something back where it belongs. Replace the book on the shelf after you have finished reading it. Put back. Take the place or move into the position of. Smith replaced Miller as CEO after Miller left. Supersede, supervene upon, supplant. Substitute a person or thing for another that is broken or inefficient or lost or no longer working or yielding what is expected. He replaced the old razor blade.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.